Hey friends, if you're unable to invite or add friends in the finals game, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. But before proceeding with the resolutions, I should let you know that there is no confirmative resolution till date. So we will be trying a few fixes, and if it doesn't work, then let me know in the comment section. The first one is to check your internet connection. Open fast.com and simply click on the refresh button here and check your internet speed. Is it good enough? Is it above 10 Mbps? If not, then it might be problematic with the game. The second option is to reboot the client from both the sides, or better just restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then click on restart. The third option is to enable the crossplay from the settings and then add friends. So the procedure is as follows. Launch the finals game on Steam and click on settings option in the main menu. Now scroll down to the crossplay option and toggle it on, and then you can restart your game. And the best one was again to restart your computer. The last option is to try to use Steam browser console command. So launch the final on Steam and open it in your Steam browser. Press F12 to access the browser console. Enter the following command there. It is request play test access and these two brackets, and then hit enter, and then you will be granted DirectX and you can enable your connect with your friends. I hope this was helpful. If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then please let us know in the comment section so that we could investigate further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.